Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, I show you how to set up the imprint for your web shops and QR sales channels. First, click on Self-Service. Then go to Sales Channels. You are now in the overview of your sales channels. To adjust information about a sales channel, use the corresponding edit icon. A new window will open where you can adjust the information of the sales channel. Now go to Legal Notice to edit the imprint. In the Legal Notice section, you need to scroll down to edit the imprint of your sales channel. Now use the given text field to enter your imprint. Once you are done, click on Save to apply the changes. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to set up the imprint for your web shops and QR sales channels.